This is Ajit Pillai, tutor for mathematics and science. We'll talk about series of videos which will talk about how to tackle concerns for mathematics and science. Students have fear from mathematics. However, on these days, it is observed parents comes and talks about their weak areas of their kids in mathematics. The normal reason which I heard and which I am hearing is due to corona times, their basic is weak. In fact, if you ask me, this is not the right reason. Because from class 9 onwards, there is a shift, there is a change in level in both mathematics and science. There are certain set of rules and some discipline is required to come about this sphere. We'll talk in length, in detail about this. During this time, you should be in expert hands who guide and who coach you correctly. We'll talk about certain rules which, if you follow, I think at max, to a great extent, you will come about and you will come out of the fear. Rule number 1. Don't read mathematics. Students normally read mathematics. They go through the pages, they read it, and they don't get into solving. They should solve each and every sum. Sometimes students feel, if I solved one sum, why should I do it again? I suggest normally 3 times a student should do these sums. Rule number 2, write formulas correctly and substitute values. We need to remember formulas. Formulas are must in mathematics. Write about some few times the same formulas, you will remember it. Rule number 3, do calculations in the same notebook or maybe at the same page, on the same page. Because you will be able to refer those calculations. Rule number 4, don't do calculations fast. Initially, you should be slow, understand it and then do it. Doing mathematics fast is not a good technique to learn mathematics. Slowly and steadily, you will get speed. Rule number 5, don't get upset with incorrect answers. In fact, don't try to find mistakes within that. Solve that sum again in a different page. You will find your mistakes there. Rule number 6, I suggest personally, and I can guarantee, if you do daily 1 to 2 hour mathematics with these basic rules, result stands guaranteed. For more information, you can refer my website www.ajitpillai.com. We'll meet in next series.